guys, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. This is not a hair video. This is actually something a little bit different. I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys a brand new journey that I am on. If I sound like I'm talking funny, it's because I am. I started my bite journey. I am working on straightening out my teeth. So I got my aligners in, and when they're in, I talk a little bit funny, okay? So I'm actually gonna take them out right now just so I can talk regular with you guys. All right, now we're good. So I'm really excited that I am partnering with the company Byte to fix my teeth, more specifically my overbite, because I already know the first thing a lot of people say is, Imani, but your teeth are straight. They are straight. They've always been straight since I was a little girl. However, I've always had an overbite, like a really bad overbite. When I was younger, it was so bad I could legit like stick my finger in between my teeth. It was like, it was bad. That looked crazy, but it was bad. So I actually got it fixed as a teenager. I think from like 12 to about 15 I wore braces, and it wasn't a pretty experience. Insert picture here. Yeah, back in the day, you know, when we thought the colors and the mixed match colors were cute, and they really weren't, and they're pictures that I can never use to this day except for a video like this. Yeah, that's the kind of braces that I had. So yeah, I wore my braces for like 2.5, maybe about 3 years. It was the regular schmegular orthodontist visits that you guys probably like think of. I had to go to my orthodontist every single month, which was a drag because, you know, as a preteen into teenager, like I didn't want to leave my friends. I didn't want to have to, like, you know, take the time out to have this guy poking around my teeth every month. It was painful. You know, he had to tighten them every month, which like, forget about it. And then I had like the little rubber bands all in my mouth to get my teeth to pull back. I was a mess. I was a mess. And then on top of that, because they were the traditional braces, I couldn't eat certain things, even though I still did. Don't tell nobody. But I couldn't eat certain things or my bracket would break, which they always did, and I always had to get my bracket fixed. My overbite was completely fixed, y'all. It was completely fixed, like I was good. And then I had to wear my retainer, which I didn't. So now I was left with this insert picture that I just took about 3 weeks ago. My overbite is not as bad as it used to be, but it's still enough to where my profile looks a little crazy. I had always thought about, as an adult, do I want to get braces again and deal with that for like another 2 years, or do I want to just leave it? I was really just going to leave it, and then this opportunity came along and I jumped on it, you guys. I jumped. I always saw commercials for like the aligners and everything. I was a little hesitant because I just didn't really understand how it could work for an overbite. I always thought that it could only work for, like, you know, like super crooked teeth or spaces or whatever, which like just wouldn't work for me. But I'm excited that Byte does work with overbites, underbites, whatever issues you have with your teeth, the aligners can fix. So I am like 3 weeks into my journey already. I'm on week 3 of my aligners. I did need the last like 2 weeks to kind of figure this out before I came on here to talk to you guys about how I'm starting this, but I am so happy so far. Everything you do is from the comfort of your own home. I actually did the impressions on myself, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Don't laugh too hard. And then I sent it back into Byte for them to figure out what kind of treatment plan I should be on based on where my teeth were and where they should go. So I know that might have looked a little crazy and it might have looked hard. You don't know if you could actually do it, but they actually send you this guide that's right here. It gives you all step-by-step instructions on how to get your impression kit to work and how to do it in a way that you won't mess up. So you're not like, you know, getting the wrong treatment plan. It's very detailed. You literally just have to have patience, a little bit of time, and just follow the instructions and you're good. So I sent that back into Byte. Maybe like 2 weeks later or so, they sent me back all of my aligner, which came in this box right here. So every week, I just take a new aligner out until I have no aligners left. There's also a website that you can check where they have your specific treatment plan there, and it actually shows you where your teeth will go from beginning to end. And I'm going to show you guys my treatment plan right now. And so long as each week you are wearing your aligners every single day. I have the day plan, wearing your aligners every single day, pretty much all day except for when you're eating, brushing your teeth or whatever, and using this handy little tool right here that has a little bit of vibration that helps the your teeth to form around the new aligners for that week. Then you can move on to the next week's aligner. It did take me a little while, like I am in week 3 right now, but it's been a couple weeks. A few weeks since I started this, because the first couple days of my journey I had to just get it all the way together. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm really excited. I already feel my teeth moving, forming. It is a little bit of pressure, like a slightly uncomfortable, but nowhere near what it used to be when I got my braces. Okay, also I'm really excited because my treatment plan is only 15 weeks. So we're talking less than 4 months to get me back to where I was versus almost 3 years. I'm gonna take it. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. And because I am partnering with this company, all of my followers that choose to also go on their Byte journey can get their impression kit for only $25. Normally it's like $90. So, you know, if you're thinking about doing this, I would take ahead, you know, try it out. You know, normally we spend like $100 just to be outside for 1 day, so what's $25? So long as you use my code, which I will put in the description box down below, as well as the website link that you can purchase it from. Also, I don't know about you guys, but I know that when I got my braces, they did not accept my insurance. My mom had to pay out of pocket, which was hard on her pocket. Byte does work with many insurance plans. They also have different plans where you can work out payment and figure out just how it can work for you. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting there most of the time on how my journey is going, but I will come back to you guys at the very end to show you guys where my teeth are versus, you know, where they are now. So I hope you guys join on this journey with me. If you guys are looking, you know, to fix that smile a little bit, you know, you smile, you know, let's get the smiles together. If you have any questions about it, definitely feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys at the end of my journey. Well, I'll see y'all for other videos, but I'll see y'all at the end of my journey. Bye.